Bars Products International. Top Engine Conditioner, the market-leading internal combustion chamber cleaner, designed to clean both combustion chamber and intake manifold. BarsTech restores lost power caused by deposit buildup, helps remove varnish and carbon deposits, reduces exhaust emissions, and results in a smoother idle and acceleration. TEC's surface activating foaming action provides for efficient coverage of internal engine components and coats all internal surfaces, providing the most effective cleaning results. BarsTech, or Top Engine Conditioner, is a powerful formula consisting of a proprietary blend of high-quality cleaning agents, which clean the inside of a vehicle's intake manifold and combustion chamber quickly and effectively. To demonstrate BarsTech, we will be using a 1994 Ford F-150. This particular vehicle has a V8 engine, requiring the use of two 180-gram cans of BarsTech. A very important application note. There are multiple sensors located in air intake systems which should be avoided when applying TEC. These include, but may not be limited to, the mass airflow sensor and mass absolute pressure sensor. Each vehicle is different. Therefore, it is important that the user is familiar with the locations of any and all sensors prior to applying TEC. We recommend this product be applied by an experienced automotive service technician. We'll begin by removing the spark plugs and taking a look inside the combustion chamber. As you can see, the combustion chamber is filled with the harmful carbon deposits. We'll now demonstrate the application of BarsTech. Step 1. Locate the air intake on your engine's manifold. We advise using the vacuum intake or applying directly into the throttle body as the application point for BarsTech. This will assure the user avoids coming in contact with critical sensors. TEC can also be applied directly to the intake manifold. Step 2. Shake TEC well before application. While engine is running, spray entire contents of BarsTech into your vehicle's intake. This is to assure the proper amount of TEC reaches the combustion chamber, throttle body, and entire intake manifold. Note, be cautious to hold onto the spray tube when applying TEC so that the tube is not sucked into your intake. Use the accelerator to prevent engine from stalling during application. Step 3. Stop engine right away and wait approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect air intake while waiting for BarsTech to penetrate carbon deposits and gums. Step 4. Start engine and rev until white smoke is no longer visible. And it's as easy as that. Cleaner engine, better performance. BarsTech delivers. For more information on BarsTech as well as other quality automotive chemical additives, please visit our website at barsgroup.com.